KAV Hardware, founded in 1981, for over 4 decades, one thing has never changed. Manufacturing furniture hardware such as hinges and slides, making furniture more durable, smoother, and smarter. Because we believe great hardware is not just about function, it carries the lasting memory of a home. We once manufactured for leading global brands. Those years, learning from the best, forged our uncompromising standards of quality. But KAV was never meant to stay behind the scenes. We aspired to turn craftsmanship into innovation. Thus, the KAV brand was born. From OEM to independent R&D, from following to leading. We made a pivotal transformation to keep adding value, keep abiding victory with our partners. Today, KAV has evolved into a fully integrated group, covering R&D, manufacturing, and sales. We deeply understand that the silent operation and load-bearing capacity of a slide and the 50,000 cycle durability of a hinge define the true quality of furniture. That is why we built a unique dual-engine model, User Insight Precision Manufacturing. Innovation begins with listening. Manufacturing is defined by control. From mold design to lean production, key processes are handled in-house. Our quality managers hold veto power, ensuring every product stands the test of time. With over 20 national patents, our innovations are not just technical achievements, they are answers to real user needs, driven by the pursuit of silence, durability, safety, and convenience. We deliver a complete precision hardware system for the entire home. 5D adjustable hinges enable installation up to 5 times faster. Undermount slides offer smooth and silent performance. Premium drawer systems deliver outstanding load performance. Handle-free solutions and storage systems simplify space and maximize efficiency. Our technologies also extend beyond furniture into automotive and server industries. Yet, behind every innovation, there are people. We are committed to the well-being of every KAV employee, both materially and spiritually. This remains our original aspiration, driven by a belief in quality and a passion for innovation. We have built a professional team across R&D, manufacturing, quality control, sales, and service. Today, KAV serves customers in nearly 100 countries and regions worldwide. Across global exhibitions and experience centers, we continue to prove one thing. While scale and technology evolve, our commitment to reliability never changes. Looking ahead, KAV goes beyond manufacturing. We aim to become a global co-creation platform for furniture hardware. Together with our partners, we will shape the future of intelligent storage through the spirit of precision engineering. KAV Hardware. Keep adding value.